Space is vast. It's filled with planets, stars, and galaxies, but it also holds mysteries. One of those mysteries is Kamo O Aliwa. This strange object is a quasi-satellite of Earth. That means it orbits the Sun, but it stays near Earth. Imagine a dance partner who never quite leaves your side, but isn't quite holding your hand. Kamo O Aliwa was discovered in 2016. Astronomers were surprised. They weren't expecting to find an object like this. It's a reminder that space is full of surprises. We are still learning about our cosmic neighborhood, and sometimes what we find changes our understanding of the universe. Kamo O Aliwa isn't a typical satellite like our moon. The moon orbits Earth directly. Kamo O Aliwa is different. It orbits the Sun, but its orbit is in sync with Earth's, so it stays near us. This type of orbit is called a quasi-satellite orbit. It's a delicate balance. Kamo O Aliwa is influenced by both the Sun's gravity and Earth's gravity. This cosmic dance has been going on for millions of years, and it will likely continue for millions more. Kamo O Aliwa's dance with Earth is a complex ballet. Imagine a waltz where one partner circles the dance floor while the other stays close by. That's the kind of relationship Kamo O Aliwa has with our planet. It's a celestial waltz, played out over vast distances and immense timescales. The discovery of this quasi-satellite is a testament to the progress of astronomy. We're getting better at finding these hidden objects. And as we find more, we learn more about the intricate workings of our solar system. Kamo O Aliwa is relatively small. It's only about 160 to 200 feet across. That's about the size of a Ferris wheel. It's also very faint. This makes it hard to study, but scientists are learning more about it all the time. Kamo O Aliwa appears reddish in color. This suggests it's rich in metals. It may be similar to certain types of asteroids, but its exact composition remains a mystery. To unlock these secrets, scientists need to study its light in more detail. The way Kamo O Aliwa reflects light is also intriguing. It reflects sunlight in a way that suggests it might be spinning rapidly. This adds another layer of complexity to this already fascinating object. Scientists are eager to learn more about Kamo O Aliwa. They hope to one day send a spacecraft to study it up close. A mission to Kamo O Aliwa would be a challenging but rewarding endeavor. Kamo O Aliwa isn't alone. There are other quasi-satellites in our solar system. These objects are like cosmic nomads. They wander through space, loosely bound to planets. They are a reminder that the solar system is a dynamic place. Objects are constantly moving and interacting. Quasi-satellites are still a relatively new area of study. We don't fully understand how they form or how long they remain in these unusual orbits. Each new discovery adds to our knowledge. Studying these objects can tell us about the history of our solar system. They may be leftovers from the early days of planet formation, or they may have been captured by planets later on. Kamo O Aliwa is a puzzle piece in the story of our solar system. By studying it, we can learn more about how our cosmic neighborhood came to be. The orbits of celestial objects tell a story. They tell us about the forces that shape the universe. Gravity is the main force at play. It pulls objects together. But orbits are not always simple. Sometimes they are complex and ever-changing. Kamo O Aliwa's orbit is a prime example. Its horseshoe-shaped path around the Sun is a result of the gravitational dance between Earth and the Sun. This dance has been going on for millions of years, and it will continue for millions more. Orbits can change over time. Collisions, gravitational interactions, and other factors can nudge objects into new paths. Kamo O Aliwa's orbit is relatively stable for now, but it may evolve over time. Understanding orbits helps us understand the past, present, and future of the solar system. It allows us to trace the movements of objects over vast stretches of time, and it helps us predict where those objects will go next. Kamo O Aliwa may hold clues to the early solar system. Its composition could tell us about the materials that were present when planets were forming. Its orbit could tell us about the gravitational interactions that shaped the solar system. Some scientists believe that Kamo O Aliwa could be a captured object. It may have originated in the asteroid belt or even farther out in the solar system. Gravitational interactions could have nudged it into its current orbit near Earth. Other scientists believe that Kamo O Aliwa could be a remnant from the formation of Earth and the Moon. It may be a piece of the original material that coalesced to form our planet and its satellite. Further study of Kamo O Aliwa is needed to determine its true origins. But regardless of its origin, this object offers a unique opportunity to learn about the early days of our solar system. Every new discovery in astronomy leads to more questions. Kamo O Aliwa is no exception. Its discovery has sparked a wave of research and speculation. Scientists are eager to learn more about its properties, its history, and its potential for future exploration. One of the biggest questions surrounding Kamo O Aliwa is its composition. What is it made of? Is it similar to other asteroids, or is it something unique? Answering this question could tell us about the conditions in the early solar system. Another question is the stability of Kamo O Aliwa's orbit. Will it remain in its current orbit for millions of years, or will it eventually be ejected from the Earth-Moon system? Understanding its orbital dynamics can help us predict its future path. These questions, and many others, are driving ongoing research into Kamo O Aliwa. As we learn more about this object, we'll gain a deeper understanding of our place in the cosmos. Kamo O Aliwa is a prime target for future space missions. A robotic spacecraft could visit this object, study its composition, and map its surface in detail. Such a mission would provide a wealth of information about this enigmatic quasi-satellite. Sending a spacecraft to Kamo O Aliwa would be a challenging but worthwhile endeavor. It would require advanced technology and careful planning, but the scientific rewards would be immense. A mission to Kamo O Aliwa could also serve as a testbed for new technologies. It could help us develop new techniques for navigating to small, faint objects in deep space. These technologies could be used for future missions to other asteroids and comets. The exploration of Kamo O Aliwa is just beginning. This object holds the potential to unlock many secrets about the solar system. It's a reminder that there is still much to discover in our cosmic backyard. The universe is full of mysteries. Every time we answer one question, more questions arise. Kamo O Aliwa is a perfect example. Its discovery has opened up a new realm of inquiry. It's a reminder that we are still just scratching the surface of our understanding of the cosmos. The exploration of space is a journey of discovery. It's a quest to understand our place in the universe. And it's a journey that never ends. There will always be new mysteries to unravel, new worlds to explore, and new knowledge to be gained. Kamo O Aliwa is just one small piece of the cosmic puzzle, but it's a piece that has the potential to tell us a great deal about the history of our solar system. Its story is a reminder that even in our own cosmic neighborhood, there are still wonders to be found. The discovery of Kamo O Aliwa underscores the vastness and complexity of the universe. It shows us that even in our own backyard, there are still objects waiting to be discovered. It's a reminder that we are part of something much larger than ourselves. As we continue to explore space, we gain a deeper appreciation for our place in the cosmos. We see that Earth is just one planet among billions. And we realize that our solar system is just one tiny speck in a vast and awe-inspiring universe. The study of objects like Kamo O Aliwa helps us understand the forces that shape the universe. It teaches us about the history of our solar system and our place within it. And it inspires us to keep exploring, keep questioning, and keep seeking answers to the mysteries of the cosmos.